Test, test, test. Let me see how we sound. Let me see how we sound. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Make sure to like the live as you hop up in here, y'all. Make sure to like the live as you hop up in here. If y'all watched the Sunday chart analysis, it was in the live stream yesterday. There was like 3 setups that played out. Gold played out, GU played out, and then GJ played out a little bit, but gold and GU played out the best. All right. We got a couple setups we're looking at right now. We're going to be looking for continued GJ sales. We still are respecting this level as resistance, so we're going to see if we can break below 187.85 again. Hold that as resistance. And then GU just did a move, so we're either going to look for retracement or price break this next level right here. But we're going to be looking for continued gold sales, continued GU sales, and continued GJ sales. That's the game plan right now. What's going on? What's going on? Those who are joining the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. We have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here, y'all, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Got another new video dropping for y'all today. Make sure to have y'all's notice on after the live stream. Make sure to catch up on all the other videos as well. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. We got a couple setups we're looking at. So GN ended up retracing like we anticipated yesterday. Went right back to this low. I'd expected to do it in a whole day. Well, technically, I didn't really do it in a whole day. We had this nasty wick yesterday, and then price last night. It's really been retracing to the downside. We are still bullish, but I really want to see how we react to this level here at 27.65. If we can continue to hold that level as support like we did yesterday, we can look for continued buys. But as you can see here, like we was talking about, we need to hold this level at 30.20 as support, which we failed to do so yesterday, which brought us back to right here, right? Again, this is where that big push last week happened as well. Wrap up the week. So we're going to see how price plays out right here. Now, we do have some New Zealand news tonight later on when markets reopen. So keep that in mind as well for those that's going to be trading later on tonight, Tokyo session. But again, if y'all watched the chart analysis, it was in yesterday's live stream. 3 charts when as projected. Gold took a dump, GU took a dump, and then GJ ranged a little bit. But we're about to see how it plays out today because, again, we are still bearish on this. Ended up retesting this level, right, but still held it as resistance. So we're about to see if we can break and hold this level at 187.85 as resistance. Hold that as resistance. We're looking for sales going down to 187.15 again. All right, so we got a couple setups. GU kind of started the party a little bit early. So we're just going to simply wait for price to retrace or break the next level. Again, we don't chase trades. We wait for price to come to us. New 15 just popped up. Let's see if we can hold this low as resistance. Let's thin this out. We'll pay closer attention. Gold's pushing back down as well. So we got a couple setups we're looking at. So we're just gonna move this down because it looks like it's about to try to continue to push down for us. So again, we're watching GJ and we're watching gold for sales right now. That's what we're looking at right now. We're looking at GJ and gold for sales right now. Got a new 5-minute, but I'll pop up in a little bit. So it's trying to hold this right here. Let's see what it goes up to. Yeah, so GJ and gold are kind of similar situations right now. Gotta do 5 minute, about to pop up in a little bit. Again, we're just waiting to see if we can not only break these lows, but hold them as resistance. That's what we're really looking for right now. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. Looks like GJ's rejecting this level again. Let's see if gold can close and hold this. All right, new 15 years popped up. Again, y'all, you guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When you need charge, drop in the chat. These live streams are for y'all. But again, we're looking at right now at possible gold and GJ sells. If GJ converts gold 187.85 as resistance, we're going to look for sales going down to 187.15. And if gold can hold 30.08 as resistance, we're going to be looking for sales going back down to 29.85. All right, that's going to be the game plan right there. The game plan right there. Well, as we can see, price is kind of just chilling right now. Again, we don't got any high impact news today, besides later on tonight when markets reopen at 10 p.m. for the New Zealand pairs. But besides that, again, it's just a regular Monday and Tuesday. We're simply just waiting for volume to pick up and our confirmations to be met. So far, we see they're kind of just chilling at these levels right now. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal through Telegram. Y'all see on your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. And then these aren't 1 minute clips on TikTok. This is realistic trading. All right, you have to look for a setup, wait for your confirmations, wait for price to come to you, then enter a trade. You're not going to always just open up a computer and just jump into a trade. That's just not how it works. That's not how it works. Some days it's like that, but it's not going to be like that all the time. All right, let's see if we can hold this right here. Gold's looking similar as well. New 5-minute just popped up. See if we can hold these levels as resistant. I got a lot of videos and posts lined up for y'all today and this week on Instagram and TikTok. Make sure to be following me if you're not already. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screens. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. Also just dropped a new video on YouTube for you. I got another new video dropping later on today for y'all, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. Yeah, we see a little move happening right now. We see a move happening. Let's see if we can hold this level. Okay, this looking happy. I like how this is looking. Let's see if we can hold this right here. GJ pushing back down. Now see the gold's going to follow suit. We don't need to just break this low. We need to hold, right? Because when we did a retracement, as we can see here, we didn't hold this as resistance. We didn't hold this, but we're pushing back down. So I'm going to see how this holds this level right here. The GJ is pushing right back down. So we're going to see if we can break through this level of traffic right here. Again, if GJ can hold 187.85 as resistance, look for sales going back down to 187.15. We're looking at gold. I'm not in this position yet, but if it can hold 30.06 as resistance, we're going to look for sales going down to 29.84. All right, that's the game plan right here. U15 about to pop up. Looks like GU about to do something for us too. Excuse me. Our U15 just popped up. So we got a couple setups we're looking at right here. Let's see how gold plays out on this retest. All right, if you can hold 27.60 at resistance, we can look for sales going back down to 27.20. Yeah, we got the retracements going on. New 5 minute just popped up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. And with the charts, drop in the chat. You already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Yeah, I like how this is looking right here. We got a lot of nice looking setups right here. Oops, I was talking while muted. Again, y'all, there's no high impact news today, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. All right, that's what we was looking for. So as long as this don't take a dump in the next 40 seconds, and we can hold this as resistance, we're gonna pull the trigger on this G setup right here. Again, I like this GN setup as well. We had a big retracement, but we talked about this in the Sunday chart analysis. There's no two. I don't want to put emojis. That's what we talked about in the Sunday chart analysis. So if you haven't watched the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to check that out. So a lot of charts already went as projected so far. And again, like I always say, it's not just what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday. It's what I see price doing throughout the entire week. I like this setup right here also. New 15 just popped up. All right. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram, y'all. Again, I got a new video dropping for y'all later on today during the beginning of New York session. Make sure you're on the lookout for that. And again, the playbook as well as a few other series are available. So make sure you get y'all's copies of the playbook right now. Again, the Q2 sale is going on. Everything, well, I got scrolled a little bit. Everything is 25% off for the time being. Make sure to take advantage of that. All right, I've been getting questions left and right about sales. The sale is active, so hop on that now. But yeah, y'all, like always, you guys want to contact me directly. Y'all can DM me on Instagram or TikTok or Telegram. I respond to all the messages. And I might go live on TikTok today, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know the Wi-Fi was kind of trash yesterday, and I had a busy schedule. I had a couple sessions, meetings yesterday, but I'm most likely gonna go live today. But like always, I'm gonna always send that link out and let y'all know if I do end up going live today on TikTok. All right.